Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming back with Sneaky Peek Day 2 for My Creative Times 150th edition release. Today we will be showcasing the 3.75 by 4.75 envelope die. Well awaited. So I was so happy to get my hot little hands on this die set, and I know you will be too. So make sure you're back tomorrow at 8 a.m. Pacific Standard Time for release day. My code is MOE for 10% off your total purchase, but tomorrow it will be 15% off your total purchase, or you can use any of the designers. Make sure you use the ladies' links down below, as well as My Creative Time. I'll have her YouTube and her store. So I think that's about it. Let's jump into this envelope die. It is just adorable. So she has Happy Mail there and the back layer for that. This impresses into your paper if you'd like to use that. She added some hearts. This is the top part of the envelope that will close, and then we have a layering die for that as well. So love that. And I did use that little small heart. I used most of the hearts except for I think this small one, but you'll see my envelope put together. I also used the Wagon Sentiment stamp and dies, and I am using Hope This Card Brightens Your Day. This is a card that I showed yesterday, but I did make it to go with this envelope. And then the Leaf Wagon add-ons plate, and I used this leaf here, and I used that a few times, just in different colors. And then from the Boy and Girl Ginger, I used that little envelope there. And for the card base, I am using the 3.75 by 4.75 card base layer dies. And I also have the add-ons to that, and I'm using those two right there. And then the paper, Beautiful Basics, is what I'm using. I'm using that paper there. And here goes my card and envelope that I am showing. I thought since it had Happy Mail on top, why not throw that wagon on there with loads of mail? So I thought that turned out so cute. I did put that little heart on there on the envelope. Just adorable. Love this little wagon. It's just the cutest thing. And I did throw some of those hearts around as well. I did pop up the Happy Mail there. Really cute. There goes the back side. This has its own closure, so love that. And it just pops open like that. And if you didn't want to have the closure there, you can add some tape on there and just pop it down like that. Either way, it's really cute. I love it. And then this is the card that I made yesterday to kind of coordinate with this one. I did use those leaves. I put 3 different colors on there. There goes that Hope This Card Brightens Your Day. I just layered that up twice because that comes with a layering piece anyways. It looks like a torn paper edge. And then I added some splatter back there and some more gems on the card. And I did not finish off the inside, but I will. Just so super cute, and it fits in there perfectly. Now what I did do that I would suggest you not do is use 110-pound cardstock, especially if you're going to add layers, because it makes it very thick, but quite substantial. But it's very thick. So I would say use at least like 60-pound cardstock or maybe 80-pound, but it just fits right in there. And like I said, I cannot hardly move this thing, but it does fit right into there. No problem. Love it. It's so super cute. Remember, tomorrow is release day and vlog hop, as well as Instagram. So make sure you're commenting on everybody's posts. You got to be 18 years old or older and live in the US. She is giving out a $50 gift card, I believe. Don't quote me on that. Make sure you head over to My Creative Time to check out and see what all of the details are. But I think it's $50 gift card for your comments. So I think that's about it. You can use my code MOE for 15% off your total purchase, on tomorrow or 10% off any other day. And use the other designers as well. So that's all I have for you. Thanks so much everyone for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day.